Crafty friends, it's Rick back with another video. Today we are going to make a coffee themed gift card holder using products from Scrappy Boy Stamps. Alright, for your coffee cup, I'm going to show you the parts you're going to need. You're going to need cut off all the dies. So you're going to want 2 of this die, this one right here with the little flaps. You're going to cut 2 of those. Everything else is single dies. So we're going to go ahead and we'll work on this first. This is the one with the score line. So I'm going to take one of them with the score line and we are going to fold those flaps on the score line. This is going to create our pocket for our card. And this is a A6 size card when finished. And our gift card holder. It makes an A6 size. So there's that. Now this one, we are actually going to cut off the flaps to make our pocket. So we're just going to come right on those score lines. And I'm just going to trim those away. So I'm just going to take some long scissors, trim those off. Just right along, just trim that off. So there is that. All right, now you're going to take some strong adhesive. And I'm going to actually do liquid and some dry adhesive for this. Since it is a gift card holder. And we want it to stay in place. I'm going to take some thin red line tape. I'm going to add a small strip on my flaps on both sides. And this is just for me to be able to get it nice and lined up, really, and make sure it's nice and secure. Anytime I do a gift card holder or some kind of box, I always like to make sure the adhesive is nice and strong. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and press that with my bone folder. And then I'm going to take a pick tool to kind of lift that up off of my project. And try not to stick it to myself. All right, so there is that. Then I'm going to run just a little bit of liquid glue on there also so that it's nice and secure and I can move it around to get it nice and lined up. All right, so I'm going to take the finished side, I'm going to put to the back. And I will line these up together to make my pocket. So go ahead and push that in. Then we can slide our holder in. See, it creates that nice little pocket where our gift card will go, and I have still lost my gift card. So, but your gift card is just going to slide right in there. So you can just slide your gift card in those little openings, and it'll hold it in place. So that's going to be for our back panel. I'm going to add a little bit of ink along the edge to kind of dress it up just a little bit. This layer. Just going to take and add a little green right along the edge. Of our gift card holder. And then we're going to decorate the outside. So we've got our parts and pieces for that. We're going to go ahead and do the outside. I've got my top. We're going to add ink blending to those. Let's go ahead and do that so that we can let that to be drying. So the top is in 3 pieces. So I'm going to add a little bit of gray ink along each of the edges of the die cut, just like we did with the gift card holder part. So we'll add that. Got our little inner circle here. I'll add ink blending around that. Now, if you wanted to take and put this on a 5x7 card, you could. I'm going to leave it just like this and stick it in a an A6 envelope. That way, it's a finished card. Now I have room on the back that I can write a message if I want to. We could stamp a message. And if you wanted to, you could secure this. I don't think you have to. So we're going to take our pattern paper layer. I've got 2 pieces of that I'll be there for you pattern paper. So we're going to add our first layer here. And we'll just line that up. Our little coffee theme going. We got our second layer. We'll add that right along our coffee cup. Then we can insert our gift card holder. And then we can start layering up our top pieces. So we've got our top of our coffee cup. Add that on. As Rick makes a mess. So we'll add that. We'll go ahead and do our next layer. Now you could pop some, if you wanted to add dimension, you could just pop them up a little bit. We're going to add that one right there. Our rim. And then we will add our centerpiece. So I'm going to flip this over. I'll add that to the top. All right, my friends, so here is our finished coffee cup themed gift card holder. If you need any of the supplies, I have them all linked and listed in the video description below. If you like this video, you're probably going to like the one coming up right over there. I'll see you in that video. Bye, guys. Stay crafty. Love you.